Foundations are invisible, but they hold the weight of everything visible. Like strong roots producing beautiful flowers, a solid foundation is where greatness begins. Here at Wavecrest Residency, located along 2nd Avenue in Nyali, we are bringing this vision to life. What began as excavation has now proceeded to laying a strong, enduring foundation. Wavecrest Residency is more than just a development, it's a transformation. An upcoming landmark that will redefine the face of 2nd Avenue Nyali. So stay with us and build with us, brick by brick, towards exceptional living standards. Office or site visit, call us at 0743 666 222. Wavemark Properties, your gateway to coastal serenity.